That looks good to me. As a Liverpool fan, I would wear this. Oh, don't.
When you look at this here, you can see the stitching's terrible. That has to be fake. Quality on that, I'm not sure about that. Look.
That badge to this badge. I think this is real. Like, look at the writing around that there. That's not right.
No, that's a better quality. Look at the stitching.
Even the material of it.
That's a different type of stitching altogether. Look, you can see that's not a fake. And the way it's stitched properly. You know, the joints. So that's real. She's good. It's amazing actually the difference between a real and a fake. But look, you can see it. Look, if you have a look here, the seam on the back is all intersigned or interdone. But look at the state of that.
Right, you heard that now.
That's birds, I think. Is that a bird's nest or something? Yeah.
No, that's not.
It's like a purr.
No, he's definitely heard that. Like,
crazy.
Did you hear it?
Someone's taking the mickey here.
I thought someone. I think Simon said this.
Oscar.
Someone let a speaker or something.
Oscar, are you messing around? So that's definitely fake.
I agree.
That's definitely real.
Because we're all pretty certain that's real. And in 5 minutes, eBay took that down on us. In 5 minutes, literally. Straight down.
She's fake, straight
she
away.
is?
Yeah, straight away.
Fair enough, man.
I know she's fake straight away.
I swear to you.
Oh, you got a short chair.
No, I swear. No.
Turn your chair.
Not clear as day, me. I was whenever I came down to get you.
There has been. Yeah, I was like that. Yeah, it has.
The trials and tribulations.
What the fuck was that?
It hissed.
That was a hiss, yeah.
That was actually pretty scary.
Open the door up a bit more.
It's not that big.
There.
It's actually getting
I'm taking it back. The only thing that got me initially was this stitch here. This
Mine's
little
like that.
red stitch.
Because whenever I look up how to see it's fake, the colour of this stitching and also the quality of the maple leaf as well. But they are clear maple leafs.
Yeah,
the
no.
fakes can't get
No,
it
I
perfect.
agree with you. I mean, I was just looking at the what do you call? Oh, there's a. Let me see the tab. No, sorry guys, that's real.
Oh, yeah, that's a bug.
Did you get it taken down by eBay?
Within literally 5 minutes, I've appealed it now.
So there's the problem there straight away. eBay continually cause problems, Roeem. They cause problems with when we get original gear, no matter what happens, no matter what the brand is, they take it back down again. And it's causing all sorts of problems for us. We do very well to try and, if we doubt it, yeah, look at the quality there and the stitching. If we don't, what's the idea? If you're in doubt, don't put it up.
Yep.
Don't list it. Clearly that is an original. And it got taken down by Vero.
Within 5 minutes.
Was it Vero or was it counterfeit?
Counterfeit Vero.
I don't know what we're going to do. If we can't put designer clothes up, we're kind of stuck. Without a shadow of a doubt, if you have a look at this, without a shadow of a doubt, this is a fake Nike. And I never thought they'd have fake Nikes, but I mean, that is not a Nike t-shirt. It's got a Chinese brand inside, and then the Nike brand outside. That's a fake. There's no way. You can see already. O2HM. Oh, look at this one.
Jesus.
Right, you've heard that now. You've definitely heard that. That was loud. Like.
Someone's taking the Michael here. This is just.
I swear to you, no. If they are, it's not me.
That is a purr.
Because I kept hearing that from
That is
an
a
hour ago,
purring cat.
and I swear I thought it was under the table. I kept
Meowing.
looking.
Why would a purring cat that's stuck in there meow? Joel, you up to your own.
I wish it was. I wouldn't let it go on this long if it was.
I wish we'd stop getting interrupted by that ghost cat. How would a cat get in there?
I don't know. Yeah. But there is clearly one in there. This is the fact. Can you get in through the roof or something? Or
I think either like a hole in the wall or
I
something.
checked around there in case there's a hole in where the coats were, but there's no hole.
You can't get in there. I've been in there. There's only one way in and one way out. It's through that door.
It's just like insulation. Packing material.
It makes no sense. That noise sounds like a cat that's happy.
Yeah.
And purring as it meows.
It did hiss
It
as
did,
well.
yeah, it did hiss like.
She's real.
Where was that here?
It was like, can you hear? I heard that.
I heard
No,
that out of my
I
right
heard
ear.
it here.
I heard that out of my right ear.
I'm telling you, it's coming from you. It's coming from you, Drew.
Am I just making random cat noises? I don't know.
I have a feeling this will get taken down when I put it up. But I'll put it up anyway for scientific research. There was some form of red flag with this, that's why I put it in the face.
There's the red flag. Yeah, that's fake. Look at that.
That's what it is.
There, look.
I knew there was something with it.
There's the reason why it's fake. Little Chinese writing on it, and then 26.
It's a good fake though.
It's a good fake. That's crazy.
So I usually don't see much fakes in a month, and this is always big. I'm gonna keep this here because I think it's something to do with this. You know,
That speaker makes current.
I think there's something to do with the speaker. I think it is. I'm gonna keep. There you go.
What?
It's the speaker. I knew it. I don't know. It literally just meowed in my ear there. It just meowed in my ear.
Two
Yeah.
speakers.
I knew.
Hell, is it doing that?
Because I heard it in between songs and
Everyone's
stuff.
labeling me the prankster, and you walk in here a week.
I've had that for
everybody
years.
that's
I've
pranked.
never heard it do
So Hawaii speaker will purr and hiss. Who owns that?
me. But I've never heard it do that.
That's fucking brilliant.
My phone's connected, but there's nothing on my phone at the minute. It's not switched on. There's nothing playing.
Well, at least we've got a little bottle of
This is
that.
extremely surreal. I've never had this conversation before. Anyway, that's the only thing that's real.
Well, at least
Is these fakes as well down there?
So that is like pretending to be Arsenal without actually doing them.
Yeah, so we don't know if it's illegal.
Like, you know, clear as day North London's trying to be Arsenal, but it's not
Yeah, I
Arsenal.
know.
What was the issue with that?
That's the Paris ones that customer said they were
That
fake.
was, yeah.
They're not fake. Guys, they're not fake. What made you indicate that they were fake? No, that was the customer said it was fake. Returned it. Look at the quality of that stitching in there. They can't fake that stuff. Well, we need to contact eBay and find out why eBay are constantly doing that. Because we can't run a business if we're trying to sell stuff and get knocked down every 10 minutes.
It's always your dearest items, they're sent fake. It's never like your.
And I don't understand how there's so many other ones listed. Both
Ours looks
new and
better.
pre-owned,
Ours looks better than a load of the ones that have sold on listings as well.
but they don't seem to be getting striked.
We'll be glad when we get the Shopify system up, and then we can put all the stuff that we do know, and we can sell it privately. It's the way it's going to be. It's the way it's going to have to be. Okay, well, this goes over to fake area. All right, guys. Right, I'll get back to work here.
No worries.
God, blimey. So the lesson learned from this is don't listen to fake speakers.
You are going to remember this as the day I tried to play a joke on you. And I swear to you, I didn't know it did that.
That's class. Well, if it was, I mean,
There's no panic in there.
it was hissing at me twice, so that's something to be said. Right, okay.